Day 10 of Irish Words You Didn't Learn at School, the final day in the series. Today I'm going to wrap things up by giving you a summary of all the words you've learned so far. So I'm going to tell you a wee story and hopefully all the words will piece together for you. Bhí meag siúl áháin le mo wadú agus hanach me mo chórsan bhí sin na hia sa fortach. Hiú ma ad leis agus chur me cheistear a mo tún waithort, níl tún ra waithorm. Catia, hostia curtha díra fan na jahar. Dúirte bhí se le bhéin seo nniu le mé a chodú, ach danse sa bhla ní lonach slíiste, nach me an tuasca na híl go deocha se nniu. Hosim a wadú ag tauhins agus caiise dartan leis. An was sé teach do mara a dúirt me, mar se chunnal, tá sé teach an áirthaí dúirte. Well, very me se chodú deit, an dóirthaí, Bertie agus fáilte. So that's the story, and I hope you picked up on some of the words there, and if you didn't, you can go back and listen to the series again. Thank you all for the likes, the views and the comments and shares, and I hope you enjoyed the series. So stay tuned and follow for more series like this.